Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
We have him up on the counter.
With the milk.
And the cheese. He's playing with it. He loves it.
I know, because Nona bought it for him.
I'm going to go back a little bit.
Why? Into the cheese?
No,
Well, you did.
because I don't want to just right under the light.
Oh,
Want to
that's-
put the cheese away? Sure.
Okay, when I put him under one of these kind of things at home, he just cried because he wanted me to pick him up.
But he's on the soft blanket, and he has his Nona here.
Pretty Nona. Just turned 47.
Oh, that was nice.
Young Nona.
Thank you.
With her new brown hair.
It's gonna eat the baby's little feet now. Bye. Go and eat the feet. Go to eat the feet. Go to eat the feet.
We're gonna run out of video time in 2 days.
You'll just have to download it really quick if you want.
Yeah.